everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Maria and I post videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. My channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, health, and a bit of corporate world advice just because I work in finance and I tend to carry that into my videos. But in today's video, I really wanted to share my go-to smoothie recipes that are A, healthy, B, filling, and C, not disgusting, because I feel like some smoothies are really disgusting, mine are not. I'll be sharing 3 recipes in today's video, and the first one is a smoothie that I like to have in the morning time, and it does have chlorophyll, which if you haven't been living under a rock, then you know chlorophyll is like all the rage nowadays. It's supposed to give you clear skin, it's supposed to detoxify your body, and it's supposed to make your sweat not smell like sweat. And I've been taking chlorophyll for like 2 weeks now, and my skin did get better. Like, it does have like this like healthy glow to it. I did break out on my chin area, but I think that's because I've been eating lots of cheese in the past couple days, and my sweat unfortunately still smells like sweat, but that's just because I'm a sweaty person by nature. And then the second recipe that I'll be sharing with you guys is kind of like my perfect midday smoothie. It's my go-to. I usually tend to get hungry at around like 3 p.m. and that is like a dangerous time in my day, because I can either like go like all crazy in the snack cupboard and eat a bunch of like cookies, crackers, chocolates, whatever I see there, I will eat it. Or if I'm smart and composed and, you know, just like health conscious, I will create a smoothie, and this smoothie has vegetables and fruits, and it has a bit of protein, so it does keep me full until like 5:30, 6 p.m, which is usually when I have dinner, so that is like a smarter choice. And the last smoothie that I'll be sharing with you guys is just very refreshing and treat. It's high in iron, so for women, most of us are iron deficient, so this is a great smoothie to have. But also it has beets, so it's really good at detoxifying your liver, and it tastes like a lemonade, so it's perfect for the summertime. And without a further ado, we're gonna jump into the video, and I'm gonna share all these yummy recipes with you guys.
I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say you need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the directions that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah.
That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had such a fun time filming this, and I hope you guys found it informative. Make sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that way we'll never be too far away. But I will see you guys in my next video that won't be too far away, or too long away, whatever, you get what I mean. Bye.